this video we are going to build a new AXtend analyzer report using the built-in SQL query builder. So here in Analyzer we can launch up the query builder. So here it is. Now the complicated part of doing that is to come up with a SQL query to get the data out of AX. That is not trivial, but I've written a simple query here that fetches some sales data. Looks like this, joining mainly cost invoice jur and cost invoice trans. So I'm simply going to copy the table and move over here to the query builder and paste it in to the SQL portion here. I click the main window to see if it will parse. And once I've clicked the main window, it visually maps the tables that I have selected. I could also have formed the query by adding the tables here from the table list, but I find it easier to do it through the SQL. I hit preview and execute to take a look at how it looks like. So here we have that. Back to design, and I want to choose a period filter for invoice date so that I'm only working with part of the data at a time. And let's click save and close. So now we can start working with our new report. Let's first of all get the company here as a filter, because we want to differentiate between different companies. And then let's do invoicing name and line amount as data and quantity. And then we'll expand the period filter to get some data in here like this. So here we have customer name, we have line amount and quantity. Quantity is rendered as a currency. We want to change that by right clicking the quantity column, going to cell format and do numeric here. By default numbers are rendered as currency, but we can change that by changing the format type to numeric and format string as a dot. Here we have then the quantity rendered as regular numbers. Now let's say that we are fine with this being our report. Well, perhaps we want to add something with invoice date as a column here. We can group that by date year. Let's change the caption of that. So invoice year, like this. And then perhaps we want to add quarter here to that also, like this. So here we have a year, and for each year we have a quarter. Okay, so if this is our report, we can go ahead and save that, and we can do under the layout tab save report and say invoice demo. Let's pick a picture and we'll save that under custom reports. And now we have invoice demo as our custom report, going all the way from a SQL query up to an analyzer report.